Hello, stranger. It's been a...
All right, boys. We got a 2011 Hyundai Elantra, and what I'm gonna do is show you how to get this tie rod linkage off. The problem with this car is we had this for a while. It has a front end rattle, and I've been shaking the shit out of all these parts, loaded, unloaded, couldn't figure it out. Then I thought maybe it was somewhere in the quick strut, the strut tower. Replaced those. You can see they look brand new. Did not fix it, but as I was disassembling this, I started messing around with this and realized it got a lot of play in it. I'm gonna show you in a minute. You can't tell if I shake right now. It's loaded right now. See that? It's loaded. It's making no noise. But watch this. I got my jack up under it, and we're gonna unload it a little bit. Got another? Not yet. It might not do it at all, because this is actually putting it on a load. Okay. Let me go get some tools, and I'm gonna pop this off, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. All right, so we finally got it off. Top one right here is a 19. Bottom one down here is a 17. Okay. I want you to see this is on the side down here where the 17 is, and if you can appreciate it, or if you can hear that noise, it's coming from this busted boot. It's just bad. Okay. All right, we got our replacement part here. Make sure you shop around. Some of the local brand name stores wanted about 41 bucks each for this. I was able to find this on that wonderful place called Amazon. $26 for the pair. So just shop around. That's the two parts next to each other. You know, they look virtually identical. Only difference I see is the bolts that came with these. They look like they both probably are 17s or both 19s. I don't know. I'll tell you in a second. They look the same. Oh yeah, and I didn't point out, these came the next day. So if you're in a big city, man, don't be in a rush to go to these brand name stores, because they are overcharged. So both of them are 18. With this set off of Amazon, they did come with a Allen wrench. How's the Allen wrench? But anyways, you're gonna have to break out your regular wrenches, because it's designed for you to hold the Allen wrench in here as you tighten it up. And I'm assuming once it gets tight enough, you know, you won't need the Allen wrench, but you're gonna have to use your wrenches for this, possibly. All right, boys, we got it on. Didn't even have to use the Allen wrench. They torqued down pretty good without that bolt spinning on the inside of there. We're gonna get the tire over here, and I'll repeat this on the other side. Good luck.
Hello, stranger.